I've been doing races for a long period of time, from the most simple one to a little bit more complex to advanced ones. And it's become boring to me to make them again and again. So I decided to try myself in some other styles. And the style that catch my eye came from the guy called Kid Crafters on a Maker World. He's doing some little toys with unique set of joints, and I decided to borrow this idea and implement them in some sort of interior design feature or some small items that not only the toys. And I also saw a guy who created some nice collapsible, stackable gratis containers with dinosaurs. And I decided to try myself create something similar to them, but with flowers or some like little faces and with use of those joints. So just let me show you the toys that inspired me for this, and then let me show you the final product, I guess. Okay, so this is a toy that I talked about before. It reminds me when I was a kid, I used to play with Legos a lot, and I do love this like constructural joints. So anyways, here is a idea behind this design. It consists of several parts, and each part connect to other part with this little like pyramids, and like one like in mama style and father style, and it just clicks like this together. Can be articulated. It's not like they like stuck super well, but still can be rotated 90 degrees in each directions. So yeah, so I did a lot of test prints of this collapsible karate, but it's already been thrown up into trash, and here I just printed one for myself, and let me show you the idea that I took from Kit Crafter. I used the same system of joints like with these little pyramids. I do upgrade them just a bit to make them more flexible, I guess. I don't know exactly how this affects the design of the joints, but I do believe it adds a little bit of room for the outer piece to connect more nicely. And let's check out the outer piece, and this is the base, by the way. Here's the long side walls of the crater. They do have the how can I say it in English? Cut out for the joints. Fresh from the build plate, or it's already unstuck. Let's try to assemble one. It's fine. So satisfying to assemble it. Here's the clicks. And now we can collapse it like this one. Let's quickly join the other one. Just like this. And the long side. Second long side. Okay, so this is how it looks like while it's collapsed. Now you can open up this one a little bit bigger than 90 degrees, and then you open up these shorter ones like this, and there's like a lock mechanism to keep them in one place, because a lot of craters that I looked online has a problem that the walls are not steady enough. But with this, you're just doing this and little click, and now we have super strong box to store your stuff. This one is blanked without any additional features. It has handles though. I decided to add them on the all sides. But let me quickly show you the other variations of design that looks more cute. I think I'm gonna put this one in my drawer. Tons of different stuff in here, and I'm trying to organize them in some way, and just with help of these little boxes it feels like I'm moving somewhere forward this direction to be more organized person. So as you can see, I do have a lot of small items like pouches, keys, some, I don't know, some stuff, thread, needles, clay, nozzles. What's interesting about this crater, it perfectly fits in the IKEA table. So let's just, I don't know, put tons of this stuff in there, and I'm already feels like super organized person. Yeah, just like this. And we can close it up and move forward to a more cute version of it. Okay, here we go. My wife already occupied them, but looks at how cute are they. This is the first one with handles. Let me free it. Again, I think it's nice to have some handles because it's easy to move around with handles. And I added this little faces. It looks like a frog or some flowers. Haven't decided it yet. And let me show you the second variant. And this one is a little bit more simple. Just one flower or face on each side without any handles. And what else interesting about these patterns? They are stackable. It's turned out better than I can expect it. So pretty sturdy, or whatever words represent this. Yep, you can stack them on top of each other again. Also, you can collapse them, and you have two of them. And if you don't need them in like unstackable position, you can just like store them on top of each other, just like this one. And I guess that's it. That all I wanted to show you in this video with this little stackable, collapsible water containers to store your stuff. And by the way, they're free on a Maker World, so you can check them out. I'm gonna leave the link into the description. If you have any ideas on what else can be made using the same system of joints, just leave a comment and I will try to bring those ideas to life.